Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Open Command Prompt and confirm your current Python version first. Type Pi-3 version or Python version and press Enter. Note the reported version like 3, 10, 8 or 3, 11, 6 before proceeding. Open a browser and navigate to Python. Org downloads for Windows. Choose the Windows installer that matches your system architecture, for example 64-bit executable. The installer file is typically about 25 MB and named Python 3, 11, 6AMD64, exe. Save the file to your Downloads folder for the next step. Locate the downloaded installer in your Downloads folder and double-click it. In the installer window, check Add Python 3, 11 to path at the bottom before continuing. Click Install Now for a standard setup that includes pip and the Pi launcher. If you need a custom location, choose Customize Installation and set paths and features manually. The installer will copy files to a path like C, /users, /your name, /app data, /local /programs, /python, /python 311. Wait for installation to finish and click Close when the installer reports success. Open a new command prompt window so path changes take effect. Verify installation by typing Pi-3 version and Python V and pressing Enter. Confirm the version matches the installer, for example 3, 11, 6. Upgrade pip immediately by running Pi-3m pip install upgrade pip in CMD. Wait for pip to update and read any post-install messages. You can now install packages using Pi-3m pip install package name with the updated pip and the new Python interpreter.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.